So today we want to talk about governor and AVR in PowerFactory. So assume that we install one synchronous generator here that is connected by one line to another bus bar, and here we have two loads. One is not connected and one is connected. So this one is 20 megawatts, and this one is also same. And the bus bar is 10.5 kilovolts, and just here we have a 10 kilometer line. Here also we have one generator that is selected from the PowerFactory library, 46 AVR synchronous generator. So if we make a simulation event here, switch event for example, and we put after 2 seconds, we just close this 20 megawatt load. So because normally we don't have any controller here, frequency initially is constanted in one number, for example 50 hertz or 60 hertz. And then when we have some disturbances, the frequency will change. So to sync the frequency, right click on synchronous generator here, and here in the EMT just write frequency, and here electrical frequency in hertz. Just click OK and close. So here, if you make a new curve, first you should run EMT for example, 5 seconds. And then when you come here, you can see the frequency change. So you can see how is the frequency change. Frequency is dropping. You can also go for 10 seconds. Frequency changing. If you go for 30 seconds, for example, you see that the frequency will go for 50. Here we have one switching and then go to 58 or 59 hertz, and it's not acceptable. So normally more than 5% oscillation frequency will lead to blackout. So to preventing this one, right click here, go to network model and governor and turbine. And then in the DIgSILENT library here, you have different governors. So we can click on the governor general. And here we have some parameters for making the settings for this governor. So here we have PID for making a PID for the governor, as at the time constant and other variables. So we use this general and just click OK and done. So here now, if we run the simulation, so you can see it's back again to 50 hertz. So the oscillation is completely damped here. Also, we can see the voltage regulation. So here, if you reset the calculation and result variable here in EMT, if you check the phase voltage, run the simulation, here you can see the phase voltage like this. So when we have this big connection of this load, the voltage will drop because we don't have any control. The frequency now is fixed, but for voltage also we have the governor. So if we go back again, so here you can see we have the model is added. If you back again in the network model, but this time is excitation system, and click on the, and then go to DIgSILENT, excitation system simple. Here also we have again same parameters that can be design it, but we click OK and OK. If we run the simulation again, we can see it's completely fixed. So we don't have the voltage drop here, so we don't have the frequency drop.